Hello and welcome everyone to Oil Asset of the Day for the 5th of May 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So first of all, what do you need to know about oil as we go into a new week? Oil so far this week is up 25%. And in the latest week, it has more than doubled in price. That's right. Last week, it was trading at $10 per barrel. Currently, crude oil is trading at $23. So we've seen some phenomenal gains just within 1 week alone. And we've mentioned it before, unprecedented times like we're seeing at the moment with the lockdown are providing some just extraordinary trading opportunities right now. When else lately have you seen a commodity double in price in just 1 week? This has been very interesting from the point of view of hedge funds and money managers. They have significantly increased their net long positions in the latest week here, and we've continued to see very strong inflows into crude oil. But something that you want to watch out for, certainly as we get towards the end of the month, is going to be the expiry again with the June contract. So as you know, in the May contract, when it came down to expiry, many traders who didn't want to be taking physical delivery of crude oil because storage capacity was full, they were willing to sell the contract at a loss because of the unavailability of storage to take physical delivery. With that, we saw crude oil prices break down in the May contract all the way down to minus $40 per barrel. So again, as we get towards the end of the June expiry, this could potentially provide some phenomenal opportunities too to go with a sell short if we have the same situation. If we're still seeing many countries around the world on lockdown, we still have the same issues regarding oil storage capacity, you could see a very significant decline later on in the month on the June contract, similar to what we saw on the May contract. And either direction, it could provide a fantastic opportunity. So not only has oil price, they've doubled in the latest week, you could be set for quite large trade opportunities again later on in the month when the June contract does expire. So I'll put that on your radar because it's just been phenomenal, the gains on oil here over the last week. Now, in terms of major news items that you want to keep an eye on, they will be Tuesday's API data, Wednesday's oil inventories data, and of course later on in the week, Friday's non-farm payroll, which can often be a big catalyst for moves in the dollar, and oil priced in dollars can also have a significant move off the back of that. So watch out for those key news items over the course of this week. They can often provide some really nice day trade opportunities for crude oil. And as we've mentioned before, right now, whilst many people are still on lockdown, there's really never been a better time to learn a research-driven approach to the markets where you've got edge, where you're not just using technical analysis, but you're marrying that up with a lot more data, market intelligence, research, cycles, seasonality, geopolitical news, fundamentals, our in-house intelligence, and that will really help you to get an edge in the markets. If you'd like to find out more, just click in the link in the description to find out more to become a member of the Gold and Silver Club.